Here we are, let's fly around Chapmans Peak. Yeah, sadly there's some scars on the mountain there due to the heavy rains on the mountain last year. Just beyond the erosion damage that I mentioned earlier, there's evidence still of the old manganese mine where the ore was taken out from about 1909 till 1911 and exported to Belgium. Straight ahead of us over there is the legendary Dungeons, known for the fantastic surf and huge waves. Over there in the distance, Komiki Lighthouse, also known for its epic surf. And just below us over there, Chapmans Peak Lookout Car Park. We'll have a closer look now. Right, that's it. Now it's back to the car and off to Noordhoek Valley and a pint of Jack Black at Monkey Valley. Thank you for watching. Cheers.